Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Just taking a look at the S&P on a 5-minute chart. I'm just watching this as we approach the London Open, looking for or waiting for the market to invite me in. What I'll do is quickly go out and I'll just show you what I've got marked up on the daily. This balance area up here is definitely a target. I'm thinking that we might trade back through. We've got this thin leg here as well. Market traded back up to around what, the 39.50 handle, right? But this is still unresolved. I'm thinking that we might possibly have an opportunity to trade back up through, looking to tap into that. Possibly. I'm just building an argument for my case, my idea. If we grab a fib, high to low, fib retrace 786, there you go. It makes sense if we look at it from that perspective. So that's on the daily, the bigger picture. With that in mind, you know, we're trading down here at the moment, so let's just go down to the 4 hour. What we've got here, well, we've got higher highs, higher lows, at least in this little channel forming. We've got this support zone. If we have a look back, we can see that a lot of business was done through here. So it's definitely a point of interest, like here, 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 here. Okay, the market reacted around this level. Here we are again, revisiting. That's a key level for me, and that's why I'm thinking we might bounce off here and have an opportunity. The opportunity hasn't shown its hand yet. So the thing with this is, there's going to be a build-up of, if I grab a fib, a lot of traders will pull a fib from, say, this low up. They're seeing this trend, okay, pull back 786, whatever it is down here. And I would think a lot of buyers are getting involved here. So that's going to create this liquidity pool under here, stop losses, sell-side liquidity, that smart money is going to be very interested in. So that's one thing. Then the next thing is you're going to get another bunch of Fibonacci traders who pull their fib a bit deeper. They get involved, and their stop losses will, you know, they're looking at the 618. So there's going to be buy limit orders, blah blah blah. So there's going to be buying activity all through here, and a build up of sell side liquidity. Definitely, smart money is going to be interested in that, right? So that's, you know, when you go down to the lower time frame and look at where we're currently trading, this entire zone range is of interest. This whole range here is definitely a point of interest. Just speaking my mind, basically looking at the chart, and this is kind of thing that goes through my head. I want to get involved with this, but right now I'm aware that this zone or this range under here could be, you know, it could be a thing. Okay, London Open. So I'm just watching this. So anyway, what's happening here? See this range, this trading sideways, even like from the high here to this low, in through here. There's a big build up of sell side liquidity. I'm interested in that because this is what they're tapping into. Even just around here, it's ripe for the picking. And what happens? Well, we get that bit of a dip into it. How do we get involved here, knowing that there's a possibility that this could trade a little lower? I guess I'm going to be waiting for the setup, and I'm looking for any price action, consolidation, ranging price action. And if this is going to be it, well, I'll be looking for when it starts to do this, basically, like it trades down, it attacks sell side liquidity, maybe it trades back up. And this could actually, I mean, let's see how this unfolds into the London Open, but I think this is going to trade up into the London Open. And then we might see it rotate, who knows, down into the Asian close. You know what I'm saying? Possibly. I mean, this is just one idea. Or it trades down into the London Open and we get a rotation here. But either way, you don't want to jump into these things willy-nilly. And I think I'll be interested in, it's a little bit aggressive, but if we see, you want to see the retest and fail, something like that. but you got two levels to deal with here, or is it going to be that? However or, you know what I'm saying? It starts to attack liquidity on both sides of the range here before we get a move. All right, so just be careful, and I guess wait for the setup. But the setup will definitely be at some stage you'll start to see higher highs, higher lows. If it trades up, trades down, trades up. Gosh, I don't know. Break of structure, pull back. There's your thing there. All right, so that's kind of what I'm waiting on. See if that unfolds, and my bias is a buy, but with a healthy sense of caution and knowing that could attack liquidity further below before we do get an opportunity. I'm not looking to sell at this point, given how far this has traded back. I'll be waiting for this to find its feet and then give me an opportunity to get long. Anyway, guys, I'll wrap it up. That's it. By the way, join my Discord group. The link is below. It's free. I'm in there all day posting all sorts of great stuff. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.